In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ableton Live 12 for live performance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and best utilize Ableton Live 12. This will also work with any other version of the software. So always preparation is key, so you should always organize your set, decide on the structure of your performance, if it's going to be a continuous mix, individual tracks with variations, or something in between. Another thing to keep in mind is that Session View is going to be your best friend. So Session View on Ableton is designed to be used for live performances. Think of it as a launchpad with or for your music ideas. So you will be able to arrange your sounds, loops, and clips across the rows, so scenes and columns and the tracks. So you will see all of them displayed here, and you can control their order, how they appear, and so on. Ensure that you have audio clips, MIDI clips, and effects loaded in this bar here on Session View. Group related clips into scenes, and each scene can represent a section of a song or a distinct musical idea. You can trigger an entire scene with a single command, and all of them will be grouped up together. Make sure that your audio interface is properly connected and configured. So if you go over to these settings, you should see your audio interface, and a MIDI controller is highly recommended for hands-on control. You can assign your controller's knobs, faders, and buttons to parameter within Ableton. And some controllers will have automatic mapping features that connect to Ableton Live. Make sure to close any unnecessary programs, use a high-performance power plan, and optimize your disk and update the drivers. By doing this, you will find every single file and feature that you need to use it during a live performance with the most efficient way possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ableton Live 12 for live performance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.